Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix the failed to initialize watchdog error. So in this video I'll give you a quick and easy step on how to do it. First, on your Windows bar, go ahead and search for core isolation. Go ahead and click on it. Once there, I want you to go ahead and turn it off. Now once you go ahead and turn it off, it will require you to restart. Once done, you can go ahead and exit out of that. And the next step will be unchecking Hyper-V and virtual machine platform. To do that, go ahead and press on your Windows and search for turn Windows feature on and off. Go ahead and press enter and look for Hyper-V and virtual machine. Most likely they will be next to each other or below each other. Go ahead and scroll down and make sure it is not checked on. And if it's checked, go ahead and remove it and then press OK. Next, we have to update the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. Now, to do that, go ahead and go to your browser and type in C++ redistributable, and the first link from Microsoft, go ahead, click on it. Once you click on it, go ahead and scroll down until you see the second table, which has the x86 and x64. Go ahead and download both of that. Once you download it, go ahead and run it. Once you run it, we have to go ahead and restart your PC. And once you're back up, we have to do the next step as well. So the next step is very easy. Just go ahead and find CMD and run as administrator. Now go ahead and follow me on what I type here. So it will be bcd edit /set hypervisor launch type off. I'll give you a second to copy it real quick. Once done, you should go ahead and press enter. Once you press enter, you will have to restart your PC and go back up. Once you go back up, everything should be working now. That will be all this video. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.